Today I'm going to show you how to turn your phone into a second monitor for your PC or laptop using Space Desk. And it's super easy. This method works on both Android and iPhone, and you don't need to buy an extra monitor. First, go to the Space Desk website on your computer and download the Space Desk driver. Install it, and once it's done, your PC will be ready. Next, open the Play Store or App Store on your phone and install the Space Desk app. Now, make sure your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Space Desk on your phone and you'll see your computer appear automatically. Tap on it, and in seconds your phone becomes a second screen. You can now drag windows, open apps, or multitask like a pro. If you want a more stable connection, you can also connect your phone using a USB cable. And that's it. Your phone is now a second monitor. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe for more tech tips, and comment "worked" if it worked for you.